When I first started work quite a few years ago, we were measured by our productivity by the time we walked into the office, and we actually pushed in our little time card and recorded the time that we'd arrived and the time we left. So that time in between your start and end time, or the time you arrived at the office and the time you left, was considered to be productive time. But realistically, there was no guarantee that you're actually doing what you're supposed to do. Productivity isn't measured by the number of hours it takes to do something. In fact, sometimes the longer it takes, the less productive you actually are. The key to being productive is taking some time to stop and think about, is this the fastest way, or is this the most practical way to get to where I want to go quickly? And sometimes it might actually mean you need to take a little bit of time out of your day to think about the desired outcome at the other end in order for you to actually be more productive in the here and now. So rather than measuring your productivity today by the time you start and the time you finish, why not look at it as how close you get to achieving your outcomes or goals or objectives today?